First, open the nesting software. Double-click to open SinoCAM3D. After opening, create a new part. Enter the part length, for example, 3 meters. Set the diameter to 47 millimeters. Set the thickness to 3 millimeters. Click Confirm once the data is entered. The part is now created. Since there is no graphic yet, click Unfold Part. Select the base material. Click Draw and then Import Drawing. Locate your drawing file and open it. You will see a white frame. Use the left mouse button to place it. This is our drawing. Select the drawing, then press the Move command to reposition it. Use the up and down arrow keys on your keyboard to rotate it. Position it between the two lines. This represents the cutting line. Put it in the middle of the two lines. After positioning, click Adjust. Select everything and click Set as Cutting Line. Click on the inner hole and then click OK. The lines have now been converted to cutting lines. Close this interface. The file is now imported. Click Nesting, and then Auto Nesting. Select Remnant. Click Add, and then add base material. Click Based on Part. Select your part. This is based on the parts. Enter the length, 3 meters for the base material. Click Confirm, and the software will nest it automatically. Once nested, double-click the nesting list. The layout is now complete. Click Generate Code. Save it with a file name and click Save. That's it. Save this file to your USB drive, and you are ready to use it.